How to stop iPhone Wi-Fi from turning on automatically. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. Go to the current Wi-Fi network that you're using and tap on the details icon beside it as shown. On this page, turn off the auto join feature. If you don't want to join this network at all, then tap on Forget this network at the top. Tap on Forget again to confirm. After that, go back and turn off the Wi-Fi. Following these steps, you can easily stop iPhone Wi-Fi from turning on automatically. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.